Welcome. Today, we're diving into the top 5 tips for optimizing your SimpliSafe system in 2025. Whether you're a new user or looking to enhance your existing setup, these tips are essential for maximizing your security. Tip 1. Properly position your sensors for maximum coverage. Make sure your sensors are placed at entry points and in rooms that need monitoring. A good position increases detection accuracy and helps ensure the safety of your home. Tip 2. Regularly update your system firmware for enhanced performance. Keeping your firmware updated not only improves functionality, but also enhances your system's security against potential vulnerabilities. Tip 3. Utilize geofencing features for convenient security management. This feature allows your system to automatically arm or disarm when you leave or return home, providing you with seamless security. Tip 4. Customize notifications for tailored alerts and updates. Choose what alerts matter most to you, whether it's motion detection or alarm status, ensuring you stay informed without unnecessary distractions. Tip 5. Integrate additional devices for a comprehensive smart home experience. By adding devices like smart locks, cameras, and more, you enhance the functionality of your SimpliSafe system, creating a fully automated and secure home. To wrap up, we've gone over 5 essential tips for optimizing your SimpliSafe system in 2025. Remember, a well-optimized system ensures you and your loved ones are protected. Stay vigilant and keep your home secure.